To find the domain of a rational function, you have to find where x makes the denominator equal to 0. So for this first example, we have 8x plus 5 in the denominator, and I'll set that equal to 0 and solve for x. When I do this, I get x equals negative 5/8, and that's the only value that's excluded in the domain of this rational function. So we can say the domain is all real numbers except negative 5/8. To do this in interval notation, you go from negative infinity up to negative 5/8. Don't include it, so use a parentheses instead of a bracket, and then go from negative 5/8 to infinity, like that. For this one, we'll take the denominator, set it equal to 0. I could solve this using a quadratic formula, or it looks like I could factor it. So x plus 11, x minus 6, they multiply to negative 66 and they add to 5. And then set both of these equal to 0. And I get x equals negative 11 and x equals 6. So those two values I don't include in the domain. I'll say the domain is all real numbers except negative 11 and 6. In interval notation, I go from negative infinity up to negative 11, then from negative 11 to 6, and then from 6 to infinity.